The doghouse kennel connection bracket is used to connect the doghouse to the outside of the dog kennel run to give your dog more room in his area, as well as access to the doghouse for cleaning or gaining access to puppies. The K9 Kennel Doghouse Run Connection Bracket can be used with both K9 Kennel store doghouses as well as most standard size doghouses on the market. We will even build a custom size bracket to fit your needs. Easy to install and powder coated for long life, the K9 Kennel Store's Doghouse Dog Run Connection Bracket makes it a breeze to create a larger kennel space for you and your dogs.